Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Good morning. Here's your cruise news for Friday, October 31st. Happy Halloween. A Texas waterway is back open to cruise traffic after an oil spill in Galveston Harbor disrupted operations this week. Late Tuesday night, a Dutch cargo ship struck Pier 32, dumping fuel into the harbor and prompting the closure of the Galveston Shipping Channel. The Regal Princess, a ship by Princess, was delayed 24 hours and had to cancel its stop in Cozumel, while Carnival Breeze avoided its delay by switching to a different terminal altogether. No injuries or wildlife harm were reported. The technical cause of the Pier collision is still under investigation. And a crew member aboard the P&O cruise ship Arvia died Sunday in an elevator shaft accident just 2 days into a transatlantic sailing from Southampton to Barbados. The ship had to make an unscheduled stop in Corona, Spain, before continuing on to Tenerife. The UK's Marine Accident Investigation Branch has launched a probe. The cause or the name of the Filipino crew member hasn't been released. The Arvia was launched in 2022 and carries over 5,000 passengers and 1,800 crew. This marks the second passing of a crew member this week following a separate incident of a man overboard on the Viking Star. And Princess Cruises' Discovery Princess made its first ever call to Singapore this week, docking at the Marina Bay Ocean Center on October 28th. The visit kicked off a 5-night cruise with 3 stops around Malaysia. After the Southeast Asia debut, the ship will head to Sydney for its first ever Australian season starting December 6th, offering 20 cruises to Australia, New Zealand, and the South Pacific. And the photo of the week comes from Bill of Norwegian Joy in Glacier Bay here. Looks like a tight squeeze. Great photo, Bill. You can send yours in, photos at cruiseradio.net. All pictures are subject to broadcast. And cruise stocks were up Thursday. Carnival Corporation up 1.7%, 28.33. Royal Caribbean up 1.6%, 284.53. Norwegian flat, 22.22. And Viking up 1.4%, 60.38. If you have a lead on a story, let us know. Tips at cruiseradio.net. Have yourself a happy Halloween and even better weekend. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today. Take care.